Hi, welcome back to Farmerchill Digital Creations, and for today's video I will show you what's inside our free weekly template that is exclusive only to the members of our free templates community. So kung members ka ng ating free templates community, this video is for you. Yan. So as you can see here on my screen na meron ako ditong this is a tarpaulin layout, size 3 feet by 4 feet. So, sa lahat ng mga nag-o-offer ng layout design for tarpaulin, this free template is for you. And this is theme for a baptism. So, dito, all you have to do here, kapag nakakuha na kayo ng copy nitong template, is to change the name details and the baptism date, and drag and drop na lang yung magiging main picture ng uh, baby. And then another free template for you guys is that I have prepared here a printable souvenir, printable or invitation souvenir layout. So, ano pong mangyayari dito? Kunyari, dito sa tarpaulin layout, kung ito na din yung gustong gawin na invitation layout ni customer, let's say gusto mong mag-offer ng invitation, so you can just change the details here. So, instead of having thank you dito sa isang design, we can add here, welcome to the Christian world. So, ito yung usually nilalagay natin kapag nagpapagawa si client ng baptism tarpaulin or invitation. Let me edit this for a while. So, pwede nyo itong i-offer kay client as part of your another uh, business. So, palitan lang natin yung curve layout para mag-fit siya sa ating design. So, in this way, pwede nyo na siyang gawin as an invitation. Welcome to the Christian world. Or maybe, since masyadong uh, malaki and mahaba yung, so let's just change here. Lagay na lang natin dito sa taas yung happy christening, and dito sa baba is the welcome to the Christian world. So, something like that. Kasi itong layout na to is flexible naman siya. Pwede na siyang gamitin for tarpaulin, since as you can see here on my custom size, it is designed to a 48 inches by 36 inches. So, fit siya para sa 3 by 4 tarpaulin, and pwede nyo din siyang i-offer as a 3 by 4 baptism invitation. So, that's it. Ito yun lang ang mga kailangan yung gawing minor changes dito sa layout na to. You can offer this as an invitation. So I can add here invitation. And also this one is a souvenir. This can be a souvenir tags. Pwede siya siyang ilagay sa mga, pwede nyo siyang i-print sa glossy sticker paper. And then, idikit nyo na lang siya sa souvenir. And then another one is that aside from this invitation, you can also have this as a tarpaulin. So, this template, pwede kayong makapag-offer kay client ng tatlong klaseng product here. You can offer this and an invitation, tarpaulin, and the souvenir tags. All you have to do is to change the details. So dito, kung ano man yung gustong details na i-add ni client, kayo nang bahala. As long as you have this template, pwede nyo siyang i-customize depende sa gusto ni client. And then, the other freebies I have for our group members is the printable. So, dito sa printable, naka-adjust na to into 3 by 4 inches and then 2 inch by 1.5 inches for the souvenir. Paano nyo ba mamomodify ito. So all you have to do is to download the design, let's say this one. So go here in the share button and then click download. Choose only the page one, then download. Wait for the file to be downloaded. And after downloading, all you have to do is to go to your printable template. Dito sa printable template, ang pwede nyo ditong gawin is to duplicate the page para hindi magalaw yung raw copy ninyo. So just just duplicate the page and then after ma-download yung file, you can upload that to your Canva. You can upload it here in our printable file, click upload and then look for the design that you've made and then ano download yun. So let's say ito na yung design. All you have to do is to drag and drop the design. So kahit anong design meron kayo as long as you're offering a 3-inch by 4-inch, this can be a souvenir or this can be an invitation. So all you have to do is to drag and drop the design here in our template. And then after that, you can download this. After that, if for printing na kayo, again, to download, just click here in the share button. And then, I recommend to adjust this into PDF print, yung file type. Gawin ninyong PDF print. And then, here, for under the color profile, use the CMYK. If you are using Canva Pro, I really recommend na gawin ninyong CMYK color profile para maging maganda yung output ng product nyo into as a printed product, I mean. So, download. So, that's it. So, again, summarize. So, all you have to do here, once you receive the copy of this template, pwede nyo siyang i-offer as invitation, tarpaulin, and souvenir tags as long as fit siya sa ating sizes. So again, if you are going to offer this invitation, as an invitation, you can use 3-inch by 4-inch dimension. And for tarpaulin naman, you can use this as 3 feet by 4 feet, or that is equivalent to 36 inches by 48 inches. 36 inches yung height ng ating tarpaulin and then 48 inches yung lapad ng yung width ng ating tarpaulin. And also for the souvenir tags, as long as fit siya sa ratio ng 3 by 4, you can offer these souvenir tags into 3 inches by 4 inches or either 1.5 by 2 inches. So dito sa ating printable template naman, all you have to do is to upload your design and then drag and drop dito sa ating frames. So, dito sa frames for an A4 size, let's say you are going to print in photo paper and that is A4 size, pwede na kayong makapag-print ng 6 pieces of invitation. 6 pieces of invitation na 3 inches by 4 inches ang size. And then, para hindi masayang yung space, you can add here a souvenir tag if you want. So, this is size in 2 inches by 1.5 inches. So dito, sa first part ng ating template, meron naman ditong instruction. So meron ditong specifications. Ano ba yung dimensions ng ating images and then ng template. And then dito, ano yung suggested materials? These are the materials that I'm using kapag nagpe-print ako ng invitation and souvenir. I also added my recommended Shopee store kasi dito ako bumibili. Legit na maganda yung quality ng glossy photo paper nila and then glossy vinyl stickers. And then, safe na safe din siyang dumadating kasi what I love with these stores is that napakaganda yung wrapping nila ng item. So, hindi nalulukot yung mga in-order ko sa kanilang glossy photo paper and glossy vinyl sticker. And then later on, after this video, ililink ko sa inyo yung instructions para hindi na kayo mahirapan pa na maghanap ng instruction video ko for this template. So again, all you have to do para ma-avail ninyo ang ating weekly free template is to be part of our Vamerchel Digital Creations Free Templates Community. So, paano ba maging member dito sa ating, kung hindi ka pa member ng ating Free Templates Community, all you have to do is to follow the membership questions. So, I have specific instructions to answer ng mga gustong mga maging member. And then, once you avail any of our digital products, kasi meron din tayong mga binibentang digital products. Once you avail any of those, kahit isa lang, automatic you will have an access to our free templates community. So dito sa free templates community, every week nag-update ako ng mga free templates na ibibigay ko sa aking community members. So aside from the page that we have, nagbibigay din ako sa page namin every week ng free templates, and that is different sa mga free templates na binibigay ko rin sa aking group members. So, every week, you can have a chance to get two free templates. That is one from my Facebook page, our VMC Digital Creations. As long as you are a follower, you can have an access to our free templates every week. And then once you are a member of this community, of our free templates community, meron ka ding makukuhang free templates every week. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you on our next video. Bye!